Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Streamfog on OmeTV. First you need to install Streamfog. I have already installed it, so I will just open it. Then I will choose my camera and apply a filter. After that, open your browser and go to the OmeTV website. Then you might see an error, and that's because your webcam is currently being used by Streamfog. To fix this, minimize your browser, right-click on this PC and open Manage. Then go to Device Manager, find your webcam and disable it. Once that's done, go back to your browser, refresh the OmeTV page and now you will see the option to select the Streamfog virtual camera. So choose that and minimize the browser again. Now go back to Device Manager and enable your webcam. Then open Streamfog again and select any filters you want. Everything you choose in Streamfog will now appear in OmeTV because Streamfog is using your webcam while OmeTV uses the virtual camera. That's how you use Streamfog on OmeTV. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.